family. Thank you for coming back to watch another amazing video that I have for you. Of course, thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I will be making, as it is a plethora of goodies. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now, of course, this amazing wig, which I already have in this amazing blue color. Honestly, I love this wig. I recently just wore it again, and I was reminded by one of my viewers, thank you, that it came in a luscious blonde. And I remember when I wore it, I was like, I really love this wig, and I kind of wish it was in a normal color so I could wear it to work. And then I totally forgot about the blonde, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so perfect, because I love doing like vintage looks, and this wig is like pure, like buffanti deliciousness. Like, honestly, it's amazing. So I got it in the blonde, yay! So of course, this is by Zury. And Zury always has the best colors ever. So again, that blue wig, and obviously she's wearing this amazing orange color. So this is by Zury again. The name of her is Moni. And she is heat resistant up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. She is a Remy fiber hand-tied sombre. So that's the sombre, that's that color thing. But since I have it in the blonde, she is a straight blonde. Straight. Look at those delicious curls. Delicious vintagey curls. And she has no root. And let's just look at the inside of her. She has 3 clips, so they're kind of like 1, 2, there's 3 of them. They're kind of like spread out like in a third around. And then also there is 1 in the bottom, 1 in the back. So let me see if we can take a little look at what's going on inside here. So she's really great. Like I said, I have her in the blue, and I love wearing her, and I was just like, I really need like a real beautiful blonde wig. I mean, right? Why wouldn't I? So I was really happy since I got this wig in the blue like literally in February. So now it's September, and I'm happy it still was available in the blonde. So if you want it in the blonde or any other color, you literally have to go and buy it. Like, do not delay, because they're not like remaking these unless I call Zury and say, make more Monis, please. Okay, so anyway, so I have a wig cap in nude, which I got from Amazon.com, and I got a 10-pack for $5.99. So I, of course, like wearing a nude wig cap. You can wear any color you want. You don't have to wear a wig cap. You can do whatever you want. Okay, so that's on. Now, what's interesting about her with the waves is that, here, let me put it on and see if I can kind of show you what I'm talking about. Oh, Also, this part on the right eyebrow, which normally is my misfit eyebrow, but I will honestly do it because this wig is so good. Okay, so I just threw her on. All right, so she has this curl thing going on. Where's my brush? Okay, right here. So I always feel with this wig, what I found with it, see if I brush it this way, kind of loses its pop, but not bad, because it kind of like does a different kind of curl, if you would, like a softer, vintagey, like 20s curl. But this, so I always find with this wig that if you brush up, and I feel like it takes like a hot minute for you to kind of get her with, how you want it, because these curls are just so insane that it just takes like like honestly like a real minute for you to organize how you want her to go. So I kind of like, it took me honestly probably 5 minutes before, because I was trying to give it like maybe like a different look. Okay, let me just see here. Ooh, yes, yes. See how this brush up? Brush up. This is like a, you know, I feel like a cross between Marilyn Monroe and like a June Cleaver or something. What do you guys think? Maybe more Marilyn. I mean, what do you guys think about this? And honestly, she's very thick. She's very thick, and in fact, I know like when I normally wear her in the blue, I feel like she's a lot of hair clearly like right here, but it just feels that way. But I know like in photos she looks perfectly, but sometimes I'm like, oh my God, I feel like Ronald McDonald, like there's like too much hair like right here. But that's because I don't have thick hair normally, nor do I have wigs generally, except for the Ari, which is also by Zury, that has it thick like right here. And I absolutely love that one. There's the Ari that I absolutely love. That's beautiful. I actually have 2 of them, in a blue and a silver. So what do I think about this? I love it. It's like a vintage dream. I feel like it is super classy, and I honestly would love to know, ladies, if you have this wig, and please tell me if you have it another color. I want to see you wearing this wig, so reach out to me on Instagram and send me your photos of your Zury wigs, your favorite blonde wig, or this wig in another color, or this color. I honestly am tickled when I get photos from you and your wigs and your makeup. I love it. So again, this is from Zury. This is Moni. Check it out. It is a vintage dream. And of course, thank you for stopping by, and we will see you soon. Bye.